The next one is India's Greatest Brands and Leaders 2024-25, going out to Dr. Roger Kumar, MD of Case Group. They have the Managing Director of Case Group, the winner of India's Greatest Brands and Leaders 2024-25, Dr. Roger Kumar.
So it's an honor and privilege to receive this award from AsiaOne magazine. It is a recognition of our dedication to industry for last 30 years in the industrial field of various verticals like cooling towers, scale ban, air pollution control equipment, coal gasification, carbon capture, carbon to methanol and other useful chemicals, and we are really honored. Thank you very much.